About to start it up. Come on, man. There we go. Well, guys, that's the starter. That's the starter. Best advice is to get a new one. Once you have the money, get a new one, replace it. Don't linger with it. That could be the last time that vehicle could be starting. You could get maybe a couple more starts from that. But once you start hearing that bunch of noise like that while starting the car, that's your starter going bad. It's faulty. It's going out. So that's bad. Replace it. Do it yourself or take it to a shop. It's up to you.